Okay, good morning. It is the 9th of July. These are the doors that are being supplied to 220 Central Park South. These are the hinges that are being supplied for these doors and installed in these doors. What I'm going to do is show you the proper way to do it so these do not blow out. As you can see the screws here, these are number 14 by 1.5 inch sheet metal screw, exactly what it calls for on the ABH paper template. What I have here is a number 14 countersink, a VIX bit. Fits very snug. Now you see the protrusion on this, 5/16 max. That is not a pre-drill. That is a position for the screw. This is set at approximately 1/8 of an inch beyond what the protrusion of this screw is from the hinge, as called for in the SUPA installation guide. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to set the hinge in the, show this too, Joe, I'm sorry. These circles represent the positioning of the screws. These lines represent the plies of the MDF. You have 7/8, 7/8 and a 1/2 inch core. As you can see, these screws come very, very close to that seam, but they are not hitting that seam. Yes, when we're pre-drilled, the screw will catch both pieces, but it should not blow out. There are no voids in this. This is a cold press door, and your adhesion all the way through is 100%. You can see these are fairly close in their positioning. Hinge has got to be flush to the outside edge of the door. All right, so this is what we're going to do. First, we're going to position our screws, making sure the hinge is flush to the outside edge of the door. 2, 3. Now our screws are centered. Go ahead and show that, Joe. As you can see, we have not, and I repeat, we have not breached both pieces of MDF. We're still in the 7/8. We're on the edge. Now we're going to catch it. This is a 3/16 inch bit. You can see the relationship to the screw. The screw is 1/4 inch. The bit is 3/16. Again, per SUPA's guidelines. Now we will pre-drill to the correct depth. Being very careful, obviously, to drill straight. Now we're going to put the hinge in. Got a number 3 tip, not a number 2 tip, a number 3 tip. That's what the hinge calls for. All right. One screw. Yep. Notice I do not ram these screws in. Give them the opportunity to grab, and we're there. That is extremely tight, and exactly how this should work. This will not, I repeat, this will not give. That has not moved one iota. That is how this installation should go. There would be no problem. If these screws are rammed in, they're going to blow out every time. This is MDF. It has to be done per the guidelines. That's it.